In the business report, the credit worthiness of 3 of the financial institutions in Jamaica was recently affirmed. NCB Financial Group and its main subsidiary, National Commercial Bank Jamaica Limited, have received a positive outlook from S&P Global Ratings, reflecting growing confidence in the strength of Jamaica's economy and the group's performance. CEO of NCB Financial Group, Robert Almeida, welcomed the revision, calling it a strong endorsement of NCB's disciplined strategy and robust business model. Next, Caribbean Information and Credit Rating Services Limited, CARICRIS, has reaffirmed its strong credit ratings of the Development Bank of Jamaica, DBJ. As such, DBJ has the highest ratings for development banks across the English-speaking Caribbean, underscoring a good level of credit worthiness relative to other users in the region and a high level of credit worthiness relative to other users in Jamaica. Additionally, regional rating agency CARICRIS has reaffirmed VM Investments' investment-grade credit ratings, maintaining a stable outlook for the company and its subsidiary. VM's Investments Chief Executive Officer, Resworth Burchinson, says the reaffirmation underscores confidence in the company's strategic direction and financial stewardship. 2 Jamaican companies announced regional expansion in Central America. First Rock Real Estate Investments is announcing the successful completion of its 3rd development project with KFC Costa Rica, comprising a modern restaurant and an advanced distribution center. The project, which was executed through First Rock's wholly owned subsidiary, First Rock LATAM SA, commenced in April of this year and was successfully handed over in June, followed by the distribution center in August. The development, particularly the distribution center, holds significant value for KFC, as it will enhance and streamline its logistical operations across the region. Next, Cygnus Capital PR LLC, a member of the Cygnus Group, has expanded its presence in Puerto Rico's real estate sector with the closing of a $5.4 million construction loan to Centric Holdings LLC. The financing will support the development of Centric Complementary Urban Residences, a 24-unit housing project in Puerto Rico. The project will provide modern, affordable homes with features including approximately 1,500 square feet of living spaces across 2 levels. The development aims to address the shortage of more than 60,000 housing units in Puerto Rico, particularly in communities outside the capital. Time now for the latest financial market details in the business report with Denise Williams.
For the trading period of October 7, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Investment house Sagicor Select Funds Limited Manufacturing and Distribution with 3,200 and 36,206 units traded, representing 19.65% of market sales volume. Advertising and real estate holding firm Kentire Holdings Jamaica Limited shares with 1,716,786 units traded, representing 10.42% of market sales volume. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited shares of 1,675,985 units traded, representing 10.18% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On October 7, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $49.10 million purchased and US $59.46 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.50 per dollar, selling the US at $161.57 and buying the US at $160.07. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders 38 cents per transaction, with selling at $116.35 and buying at $115.97. The British pound yielded Forex traders 94 cents in profits, with selling at $216.32 and buying at $215.38. For the credit report tip of the day, stop waiting for growth, create it. If your business feels stuck, it's time to move from frustration to financial strategy. Start by taking control of your credit. Review it, improve it, leverage it. Your credit profile is not a background detail. It's a gateway to funding, partnerships, and expansion. Entrepreneurs who master their credit don't just survive market slowdowns. They use credit power to fuel opportunity and scale faster. The next move is yours. Let's get your business back in motion. Now, when you're building something from nothing and you're moving from recovery to resilience in your financial life, when the pressure hits, bills piling up, career shifts looming, and personal changes colliding, you can't afford to freeze. Emotional flooding happens when everything feels urgent at once and your brain slips into survival mode. But that's exactly when action matters most. Ground yourself, breathe, then take one clear financial step, because motion restores control. For professional women over 45, especially those rebuilding after transition or reinvention, the key isn't to do more. It's to move with intention, strategy, and emotional steadiness. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. See you soon.